FCP_FWF_AD 7.4 FCP. Secure Wireless LAN 7.4 Administrator exam guides are available in the video for you to study. The FCP_FWF_AD 7.4 exam is a 60-minute test consisting of 30 multiple-choice questions, assessing knowledge of FortiGate 7.4, FortiAP 7.4, and FortiPresence 2.0. The exam is scored on a pass-fail basis, with a score report available through the Pearson VUE account. This certification is designed for individuals seeking to demonstrate proficiency in network security using Fortinet products, specifically in managing and securing FortiGate firewalls, wireless access points, and network presence solutions. The FCP_FWF_AD 7.4 exam covers essential topics related to wireless networking, focusing on FortiAP management, security, monitoring, and diagnostics. It includes a deep dive into wireless fundamentals, ensuring a solid understanding of how to deploy and manage FortiAP devices effectively. Additionally, the exam emphasizes securing wireless networks and controlling access through Fortinet solutions. Wireless monitoring and protection techniques are also highlighted, allowing professionals to maintain secure and efficient networks. Finally, the exam addresses wireless diagnostics and analytics, equipping candidates with the skills needed to troubleshoot and optimize wireless networks. To effectively prepare for the FCP_FWF_AD 7.4 exam, start by understanding the exam overview and its core objectives. Familiarize yourself with the key topics covered in the exam to ensure you are well-rounded in your knowledge. Joining forums or communities, such as the Fortinet Forum, can be valuable for sharing insights and clarifying doubts with other candidates and experts. Finally, practice with exam questions to reinforce your learning and identify areas for improvement, helping you feel confident and prepared on exam day. The correct answer of this question is A, to allow FortiAPs to connect and function with a FortiGate device. The administrative access method must be HTTPS. This is because FortiAPs use HTTPS to establish a secure connection with the FortiGate, which allows for management and configuration. The correct answer of this question is D. FortiAP Cloud is the most suitable tool for the rapid deployment of multiple FortiAP devices across different locations. It is a cloud-based solution that allows for centralized management and configuration of FortiAP devices, making it ideal for scenarios where you need to deploy multiple access points quickly and efficiently, especially in distributed environments. The correct answer of this question is D. Upgrading the RAM on client devices is not typically a troubleshooting step for common connectivity issues, especially when dealing with wireless networks or FortiAPs. Connectivity issues are usually related to network configuration, signal strength, or communication between the access points and the controller, not the hardware of individual client devices. The correct answer of this question is B. Frequent disconnections when a user moves between different parts of the office are most likely caused by poor roaming capabilities between access points, APs. When users move from one app's coverage area to another, the client device needs to seamlessly switch to the nearest AP with the best signal. If roaming is not properly configured or if there are issues with the app's handoff process, users may experience disconnections as they move. The correct answer of this question is D. FortiAP and client load balancing can significantly improve wireless client experiences in a busy enterprise setting by ensuring that the client load is evenly distributed across multiple access points, APs. This prevents certain APs from becoming overloaded while others remain underutilized, leading to better overall performance, reduced congestion, and improved user experience. The correct answer of this question is AC. Project information phase. This phase involves gathering key information about the project's requirements, including business objectives, performance expectations, and environmental factors that may affect the wireless design, e.g., building layout, number of users, and types of devices. This helps in determining the scope of the project and informs the design decisions. Site survey phase. The site survey phase is essential for understanding the physical environment where the wireless network will be deployed. This involves checking the existing infrastructure, measuring signal strength, assessing interference, and determining optimal access point placement to ensure full coverage and minimal interference. The correct answer of this question is AB. Detecting rogue APs. One of the primary functions of a wireless intrusion detection system, WIDS, in FortiGate is to detect rogue access points, APs. These are APs that are not authorized and may pose a security threat to the network. FortiGate's WIDS profiles can monitor the wireless environment for such unauthorized devices and alert administrators. Suppressing unauthorized access points. In addition to detecting rogue APs, FortiGate can also suppress or block them using WIDS profiles. This prevents unauthorized APs from communicating with the network and helps secure the wireless environment. The correct answer of this question is B. Repeated retransmissions in a packet capture typically indicate that packets are being lost or delayed, often due to issues such as network congestion or interference. When packets don't reach their destination in time or are corrupted, the sender will retransmit them, which can lead to delays and a decrease in network performance. The correct answer of this question is B. FortiPlanner is a wireless network planning tool used to design and optimize wireless network coverage and performance. It helps with site surveys, predicting coverage areas, and designing the ideal network layout, but it does not function as a wireless controller. It is more of a pre-deployment tool, not a standalone device or system for managing wireless access points, APs, in real time. The correct answer of this question is D. In 802.11b, also known as Wi-Fi 7, the modulation scheme that offers extremely high throughput, EHT, is quadrature amplitude modulation, QAM, specifically 1024 QAM and 4096 COM. These high-order QAM schemes allow for a much higher data rate by encoding more bits per symbol, which significantly increases throughput, especially in favorable conditions, e.g., high signal quality and low interference. The correct answer of this question is C. The FortiGate guest management feature is specifically designed to provide temporary network access for visitors. This feature allows administrators to set up a secure guest network with limited access to internal resources, ensuring that visitors can access the Internet without compromising the security of the organization's internal network. The correct answer of this question is C. FortiAP profiles are primarily used to deploy and manage wireless settings across FortiAP devices. They allow network administrators to configure various settings such as SSID settings, security protocols, radio settings, and advanced wireless features, like roaming and RF management, on FortiAP devices centrally. Using profiles makes it easier to standardize configurations across multiple access points. The correct answer of this question is AD. A WPA2 or WPA3 enterprise wireless network. EAP-PEEP, Extensible Authentication Protocol, Protected EAP, requires the use of WPA2 Enterprise or WPA3 Enterprise because these security modes support 802.1x authentication, which is required for the EAP protocol. WPA2, WPA3 Enterprise provides the necessary framework for EAP-based authentication, like EAP-PEEP, by using a radius server for centralized authentication. An X509 certificate to authenticate the authentication server. EAP-PEEP uses a server certificate to establish a secure connection between the client and the authentication server. This BY.509 certificate is typically installed on the radius server to prove its identity to the client, ensuring that the client is connecting to the correct authentication server and preventing man-in-the-middle attacks. The correct answer of this question is A. FortiPlanner is a comprehensive tool designed for predictive modeling and wireless network planning. It helps you simulate wireless coverage, analyze signal strength, and predict network performance in different physical environments, such as offices, buildings, or warehouses. It allows you to optimize the placement of access points, APs, select the right channels, and configure proper capacity for a large wireless network before actual deployment. The correct answer of this question is C. The wireless controller module in FortiGate is responsible for the provisioning and management of FortiAP devices. This module allows you to configure and manage wireless networks, including settings for access points, SSID management, security policies, and other wireless-related configurations.